Hey, we are going to look at example number 2 that talks about printing resumes. And this is where I feel like some of these don't really fall into real life scenarios for us anymore. So we're going to go ahead and read through it and set up our own piecewise function. So this reads, Jane's printing service charges $29.95 to print 200 high quality copies of a one-page resume. Here's why I feel like this is not reality. You guys, if you're using a resume to apply for a job and you need to apply to 200 jobs, we've got problems. Okay, but that's all right. I'm going to go ahead and highlight the important stuff there. The important stuff is that it's $29.95 flat fee to print 200 high quality resumes. Okay, and then it tells us some more information. It says each additional set of 100 copies is going to cost $14. So we need to write our own piecewise function expressing the cost C of X of printing X sets of 100 resumes. What I do want to make note of is that it's talking about sets of 100. So even though this says that we're going to print 200, we're not going to say X is 200. We're printing in sets of 100 each. So 200 resumes means that X equals 2. Sorry for my mouse drawing skills there. Okay, so our X value is actually 2 because we're talking about we have 2 sets of 100 copies each. Okay, that's that's an important piece of information. Okay, so now I'm going to actually come over and I'll just come over and write the expression. Could be interesting here. It's in blue. We'll go with it. F of X is equal to, and then we have our little squiggly brackets. Sorry, mine's not going to get bigger there. Wait, hang on. Nope, not really. Doesn't really get bigger. We'll just leave it. Okay, so we have f of x. We're going to have, or even better, if I read the instructions, it says c of x. So we'll go ahead and go with c of x there. I don't really care. Either way is fine with me, guys. We are going to have our top and our bottom are 2 different expressions with the conditions set. So the first condition is the one I highlighted in blue. It says that it is $29.95. Sorry, I'm going to change the color on that. $29.95 for the first 200 sets. So I'm going to say that the condition is X is less than or equal to 2. Sorry, I'm going to make this equal really quick. There we go. Excellent. Look at my condition. It works out beautifully there. So that's my first condition. It's a flat $29.95 for those first 200 sets. I'm going to set up my second condition. I'm going to change the color just for fun. And the second condition tells me that it is still going to be $29.95 for those first 100 sets, just like we did on the last one about the ads, the ad length. We're still going to pay $29.95 for the first 200 sets, but each additional set is going to be $14. So we're going to set up our 14 here. And then just like the last question, you're going to have in parentheses, whatever X value you have minus the number of sets you get for $29.95. I get 2 sets. So that's the condition that I would plug into. And then, or the equation I would plug into. And then my condition is going to look like for all X values that are greater than 2. Okay, so we are going to go ahead and take a look at that. We've got our flat rate of $29.95. Then we're still going to pay that if we get more than 200. We're still going to pay $29.95, but we're going to pay $14 additional dollars for every set after that. And that's what it should look like if I want to set up my piecewise function.